Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Irene. Happy 65th birthday. And I'm just so blessed to have known you. Grabe, talagang buhay mo. Talagang pang nobela. And I just saw God's faithfulness in your life. At na-bless kami kahit that we have come to know you sa CSC, especially sa mga kinakain na niluluto mo. Talagang thank you. We are so privileged to be part na sa mga pagluluto mo. And I just see your servant heart. And may God continue to give you long, fruitful, victorious years ahead, healthy years with perfect health. And may He grant you shalom, peace, at saka talagang fulfillment. At may He grant all your heart's desires. At I salute you talaga sa ilang years, more than 45 years in the government. And grabe, thank you for the legacy. Thank you for touching our lives. And I just pray that your whole family, you would just truly enjoy your next chapter in your life as a wife, as a mom, and grandma, lola sa mga apo. And may God continue to establish all the work of your hands and make you always successful and be fulfilled in life. God bless you po. We love you.